Easy.
What's happened now? I don't wait for you since.
No worry. You say if I won't do my business, I will take time, but money go come out.
Money day.
Money full ground.
Oh yeah, now what's happen?
You know that my friend.
Which of your friends?
Florida.
Which Florida? No, no, no.
That guy, my guy, when they fear to talk to girl.
Oh, that. Hey, what's happen?
But you know, South Africa say that guy get money.
Not true.
His parents they abroad. They give him allowance every week.
Jesus, allowance.
See, wait I just can't tell you now. Say that time when you pass our house.
Okay.
When you pass front, when you wave us. That my friend say, if you get this girl, say you don't mind. If na house you go build them for
nah,
you.
lie. Hey, God.
As you do like you don't win jackpot like this.
Hey.
Calm down,
hey,
calm down.
But
you trust me, but you know say me. I know they use my own percentage they play.
You and money, you don't start.
Wait I want you to tell you be saying. I assure them say I go come talk to you. And now that time that signal I want to give you that time say once me like this and me you come wait for me for here. Yeah, I want to talk to you now. Okay, see I'm a business. Are you ready?
For money issue, are they ready now? Sure?
Now I go position you with her. Yes.
Okay.
You'll be collecting money and be giving me 10% only.
10%.
If you give you 100,000, you give me my 10,000. 200,000, 20,000. I no stingy.
No worry, no worry.
Allowance go still there.
No worry.
Allowance go there.
See you, know my person.
No, see as we don't do them like this, so
okay.
I'll carry you go out now. If he give you food, not sure, be a good girl. Just they smile.
Okay.
They well. Just give me my percentage.
You no worry.
You not go come say you can't do now. You can't.
No worry. Trust me now.
You they assure me.
No money issue. No money.
If this guy fall in love with you, as enough money, go you give you money.
Which kind of love? I beg me give me money come. You don't worry. Which kind?
What's going to happen now? Be saying you they go anyway.
For money issue, I dare available.
So what's going to happen? Be saying you follow me.
Like this. No, like this. No, listen, no.
No, just we'll go past like this. Me no be like say, I put you for road.
Okay.
We'll go past like this. It go take like 2 hours. I will tell him say I toast you. You no green.
I trust you. I too like you.
If you don't reach business matter, you don't say me. I don't do. You give me my percentage, My percentage, No, just see. If you don't the style, all those things you don't have. You don't be like saying I collect 5%, but I will collect my 10%. Come and sit down. Sit down.
Hi. I'm Florida.
Come see me.
No worry. I don't do it.
The game final. I expect you bring.
I don't arrange her. See, no worry. I don't tell her and she don't agree. She's your girlfriend now, clean and clear.
Wow.
I explained everything to her and she said yes. No problem.
You're a good friend.
Believe me, you know I love you.
Hey! Don't use that word love. I don't like it. You cannot love me.
Okay, I like you like my real friend. You are my brother. So I did things for you. As you see her, so she don't agree. You see me?
Hi.
This smile is across my head.
No.
Go upstairs. I said you go upstairs.
I say I don't do finish. Talk with you want talk. I've done all the necessary talking.
You go excuse me now.
Excuse.
Sorry. Please excuse us, please.
You see, when you said I should go.
No, my sister, not like you are going outside of the compound.
Just excuse upstairs or somewhere.
To where?
Oh, my room. I have food there. No waste time. Just
you see, I should go.
Go upstairs.
I don't finish matter for you.
I know, just go away.
Anything when you want to tell her, you first tell me.
Just go upstairs.
Hey! You my guy! I'm going to go away.
You see, I'm going.
Okay.
Don't forget, whatever it tells you.
Don't worry, just go.
Although I'm not happy that I'm leaving you, but what to do now?
I'll be fine. Don't worry.
Whatever it tells you, tell me.
Easy. Hi, come and sit down here.
Americans, they can hurt. Hey, hold on!
How far now? Put my bag upstairs, I'm tired.
Hey, wait, come. Wait.
What?
I don't understand.
What happened?
Is it money inside this bag?
Which money? I've come to stay, I beg.
Hey! Wait, see.
Yeah.
Talk well. Which one? What is you have come to stay?
Hey, see. I beg. You said you know as they go right from time. They don't break my heart way. So now this one say I don't see this better person where they serious now. Hey, I've come to stay and I really like him so much. I love her.
Wait, what is you have come to stay? Today when I bring you come house, you never spend 24 hours, you have come to stay.
Wait, I beg, wait. Now because of the 5% or 10% that you just want to cry over, I don't understand.
10%, 5%. We had an agreement and you're scattering the agreement. Hey, come. You can't stay in this house.
For what? I don't understand. Hi.
Oh my God!
Give me around.
Yeah.
No, go upstairs.
Alright.
Okay.
I'll come
up with this.
You can.
Wait, she cannot go upstairs now.
Why now? Don't mind go to my room, please.
Wait.
Why did you shout for my wife?
Which kind of sister will be that one?
My girlfriend, my wife to be, my LOMLA, the love of my life, don't come. Man, go attend to her.
See, you know they use sense. I bring a come today, you know they call her your wife.
See, let me tell you, you can find love anyhow, anywhere, anytime. So I don't find one at the appropriate time it is.
See, you don't know what they talk. Like now come back. How many minutes? How many hours? I take bring her come when you don't they call her your wife.
It no matter, I love you call her.
What be love?
But wait, what's be the percentage why they yell and they shut up now?
Yeah. We normal talk. Now normal talk. I talk. Nothing concern you with that one.
Don't vex me. Maybe the today be the last time we shot for my wife. You shot my wife, I'll push you up my house.
You know they call her your wife.
I'll push you up my house if you shot my wife again.
Oh, because I know they pay this.
You shot for me, join. No, shot me on my wife. I'll push you up my house. You shot for us.
Because
you shot for me, I'll push you up my house. Don't shot for me. I don't find love.
You don't want to use your sense, oh.
I found love at last. I found love at last. I love you.
Today. So what will now happen to my 90%? Just today you came today. See, I brought you people together. I will still let you go your separate ways. I will scatter you. I'm not shouting. Arrangement, you just no wonder if ate that apple. Who know? Now chop am. Adam not chop that apple. Your life for Adam head. Hi, women.